In this video, I'm going to tell you about this one thing that will give you the competitive advantage over your competitors, which will help you close more deals, scaling your business faster by differentiating yourself, giving you a competitive advantage over other people that are in the same service-based industry as you are. And by implementing this one thing that I'm going to teach you will drive success and cause you to crush your competition. But before we get into that, I want to say 3 people that watch these videos will be winning free access to our new course, How to Stripe. So if you guys are interested in learning more about parking lot striping, you're not sure about what paint to use, the equipment you need, or how much to charge for parking lot striping jobs, check out How to Stripe. It'll be the first link in the comment section and description. I partnered up with Justin on Forever Self-Employed to develop a striping course that will give you the secrets to getting started. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, check out the links below and enter in to win. There was a conversation I was having with a good friend of mine about parking lot striping, and he was telling me that it would make him feel bad if we ever competed against each other for a striping job during the bidding process. And this is what I said. I said, you don't have to feel bad if that ever happened, because you may be able to offer a lower price than me, but you'll never be able to provide as much value as I can. Now, let me explain what I mean by that. What I'm talking about is implementing strategies that provide the customer with exceptional value. And exceptional value is the one thing that encapsulates several other things. When we're talking about providing exceptional value, first of all, you always want to be sure that you're implementing effective email communication sequences from the beginning of the project all the way until the end. For example, when a potential client reaches out to me to service their parking lot, after I make the initial connection with them, gathering all their data, their name, number, location of the project, email address, so on and so forth. Right after I get off the phone with them, I send them a follow-up email saying, thank you for the opportunity to potentially work with your location. While we're waiting on your estimate to be completed, feel free to check out our website, which has all of our videos, our pictures, and our 5-star Google reviews. And on top of that, here is a free ebook resource for you, which is a guide to good work, because choosing the right contractor is important for the job. We look forward to working with you. We'll have your estimate to you shortly. And what this does is provides them value before I ever even send off an estimate. Now, I'm very well aware that they're probably not going to read through my entire ebook, but it's the actual process of establishing that I'm providing them value. But not only that, your estimates need to be as detailed as possible. There's a lot of times where people will send off an estimate and they're asking me why can't they get customers, and included within their estimate it just says parking lot restripe, and then there's like this number that's beside it. Your estimates need to be as detailed as possible. For example, when I send off an estimate, I'm not just giving them a black and white number saying parking lot line restripe. I'm including a detailed PDF with takeoff information about how much asphalt's on the ground, how much concrete's on the ground, how much line striping, how many linear feet of stripes, of crosshatches, handicap symbols, directional arrows, so on and so forth. That way, whenever I include that PDF with my estimate, they can see what I can see. And I tell them up front, this is full transparency. You see what I see, so you know what I'm charging. What that does is it builds trust. People want to spend their money with people that they trust. And if you are not able to establish a connection and build trust with the customer, they won't want to spend their money with you. So when you're including things in your estimates, they need to be as detailed as possible. Thirdly is the implementation of video presentations in your quotes. Now, I know this for 100% fact that there are not a lot of people doing this strategy. I know because I talk with people that do parking lot striping all over the country. And I'm one of the only people that I know that implement video presentations in my quotes. Now, I'm not talking about $1,000, $2,000, even $3,000, $4,000 parking lot restripe, okay? I'm talking about $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 jobs. When it's a big ticket client, I'm implementing video presentations in my quotes. And I do this because I'm establishing that I am not the same as the other people that I'm competing against. I want my customers to know that they're dealing with a company that's not like any other company. And I implement strategies that differentiate me from my competitors. That's why I'm able to charge more per job and land the majority of the customers that come to me by implementing these strategies. And if you'll implement these things by ensuring that you provide the customer with exceptional value, I guarantee you will be unlike anyone else and you'll stand out, allowing you to close more deals. If you made it this far in the video, comment down below exceptional value, and we'll see you in the next one.